my channel. So in today's video, I want to focus on my pantry. It is very disorganized. I kept it organized for quite some time, but with baking and cooking and it's the holidays, it's right back to being junky again. And last week I went to TJ Maxx and I got some containers, which I'm getting ready to show you guys. So like that, I have more things to put my stuff in. And then yesterday I baked sugar cookies with Destiny and it took me forever to find what I needed. So I'm going to take y'all. So this is the containers that I got from TJ Maxx. They actually didn't have that many options, but this is the one that I got. It's the all-purpose storage container and it's by the Heritage brand, and I got 2 of them and they were $9.99 each, and it comes in a 2-pack. I also got this container to put my dish pods in. My husband already went ahead and added the dishwasher pods, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some vinyl on here saying dishwasher pods. But let me show y'all the cabinet. It's not really a pantry, it's like a long cabinet that you can use as a pantry. As y'all can see, it's bad. It is bad. So normally I like to keep my baking stuff right here, but what like I don't understand like what's going on. Look at this. Definitely yeah, we're gonna get that done. I'm going to start off by taking all the stuff that I have in the first shelf out first, because I don't like to take everything out. It overwhelms me. I can just do it all. So that just works best for me.
Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live.
So what I like to do is I like to do a shelf at a time, because if I take all this stuff out and put it on the table, all it's going to do is overwhelm me. And I'll be using the Method antibacterial in the wallflower set. This is my least favorite cleaner out of all of Method cleaners. I can't stand the smell, but I'm the type of person that if I have something, I have to finish it because I spent the money on it. But I will have to tell you, for something that is like all natural, it's really strong. So I'm gonna try my best to use this.
And live my life off screen, taking time out. No, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and change.
I know you're probably wondering, why does Yesenia have so much peanut butter? Y'all, my kids love peanut butter. They like to dip their apple slices in the peanut butter, so I have a ton of them. Sometimes they eat celery sticks with peanut butter, so I try to keep a stash in the pantry at all times.
You got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
What I'm doing here is I'm using this container to keep all of my baking stuff together. So when it's time for me to bake, all I have to do is just take that container out and use what I need, because I can't stand stuff to be loose, just stuff everywhere, and then some stuff hide behind other stuff. So it takes me forever to find it, because when I'm ready to bake, I'm not trying to waste no time looking for stuff.
Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to
I get asked all the time where I get all of my jars and containers from. They all come from Walmart, and you will normally find them in the pantry section where you see a lot of containers for organizing. So that's where I normally get them from. And then the letters, I do those myself on my machine.
And tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if forget will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame.
We have a lot of holiday snacks in the pantry. We've been given from our neighbors and church friends. They've been giving us cookies and crackers and a lot of holiday treats. So we have a lot of those. So once that is finished, hopefully that will give me more space in the pantry.
Give and take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world.
And I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I pray to God that 2021 is a better year for all of us. Also, comment down below and let me know what you guys will be cooking for Christmas dinner.
Feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, finally.
So you guys, I was organizing this and I'm wondering why I don't have enough stuff to put back. And then I look around, I still have to put some containers back, right? But I was so into the story on crime junkies. Now I'm like, where's the rest of my stuff? I just thought that was funny. So I'm gonna have to fix this because I still have more snacks to put in here.
Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising.
Towards the back of this bottom shelf, that's where I put a lot of the extras that I have, like the bags of rice, the bag of flour, the stuff that's big and takes up space, but I push that towards the back. And some of the extra stuff like my Ray Dunn that I'm not using right now because I have a ton of Christmas decor everywhere. So once my Christmas decor goes away, then I'll be able to bring some of my stuff back out.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but
to me, this looks so much better from what it looked like before. I'm hoping that I could keep up with it now that I have more containers to put my stuff in, so everything just don't be in there loosely. Okay guys, so right now it is pouring down rain, so I want to make some soup. So I will be making the Instant Pot tortellini soup. So the good thing is that this recipe, they have it in the crock pot version and the stovetop version, just in case you guys don't have the Instant Pot. So it's completely fine. I'm gonna turn on the saute right now, and then I will also make sure to link the recipe down in my description box, just in case you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So I'll be adding, that's just beeping, letting me know it's on. I'll be adding some olive oil to the bottom, let that heat up, and then I will add the Italian sausage. See, when I add a recipe in my videos, I don't really take you step by step through it because I always make sure to add the recipe in my description box. So all you have to do is click on the link if you are going to use the recipe and just follow the steps.
Somebody who listens and it had to be you. Out of
love this recipe. It is so good. I have made this recipe before, but only on the stovetop, but it's so much easier to do it in the Instant Pot. I hope you guys try it out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.